Hello everyone. So myself Lavish Saraf. I am assistant professor at Lovely School of Architecture and Design, Lovely Professional University. So today we'll start with the prototyping of lamp design with a paper model. So we are making a prototype model with the help of paper, hard paper, or you can say mount board. So now, as you all know that hands-on experience is a main learning process. Now we are starting with the hands-on learning process. So we'll start with the process now. So at the very first step, we have to mark 2 centimeter gap and a parallel lines. For the straight cutting. So we'll start with the cutting. Use the paper cutter. While cutting, be careful. Also, I am using the cutting mat for the finishing. We need to punch it out. As you see, I am using the punching machine, the pencil or pen also. Yes, for the third step, I am taking a bamboo stick and pass it through the holes like this, and then I am bended it just like this. I'm marking a straight line here, and now we need to cut. Yes, so now I am cutting it from the mark we have just. So as you all can see, now again we need to punch it from the another side. Yes, so now I am done with the holes from both the sides. So now you need to put straw from the different angle. Cut down the extra piece of stick. So first paste the outermost strip with the help of super glue. From both the sides. And now start opening this. Layer by layer. So yes, here is our prototype model. We can cut down the extra straw or a stick we are using here. This is a paper prototype as initial prototype, and this is a model we have created with the wood with a similar technique. I put a light, and also I can shift the layers so that the light pass through it according to the environment or mood. So that's it. So hope you like the process of making prototype with the help of paper, or you can say mount board. So first we have created this. This is a movable strip model, paper model. And this is the initial paper model, and this is the final product we have just made. With the help of the similar process, we use the flexi ply. Instead of paper, we are using the strip of a flexi ply, and use the similar method and attach a light over it for making it a paper tabletop. So thank you very much. God bless you.